What if I told you there's a place in the Philippines that looks straight out of a dream? Where the water is crystal clear, the sand is powder white, and the journey there is just as epic as the destination itself. Welcome to Balabac, Palawan. And today, we're doing it the fast way. No slow boats, no delays, just one day, and one speedboat to paradise. Our adventure started early to 4 a.m. in Puerto Princesa. We hopped on a van heading to Buliluyan Port in southern Palawan. The drive takes around 5 to 6 hours, but honestly, it's worth every minute. The road is scenic, rice fields, mountains, and tiny coastal towns passing by. We made a quick stop for coffee and snacks before finally reaching the port, and that's when the real adventure began. Instead of taking the regular boat, which usually takes about 4 to 5 hours, we went all in on a speedboat. Best decision ever. In just 90 minutes, we were flying over Balabac's blue paradise, passing small islands, spotting flying fish, and getting that adrenaline rush that makes you feel alive. My hair didn't survive the wind, but honestly, look at that view. Our first stop, the legendary Onok Island. This is the kind of place that looks fake until you see it with your own eyes. Soft white sand, unreal turquoise water, and not a single crowd in sight. We spent the morning swimming, snorkeling, and just soaking it all in. If you've ever dreamed of having an island all to yourself, this is it. Lunch here is simple but perfect. Fresh seafood, rice, and that peaceful sound of waves. With the speedboat, we didn't have to rush. We had hours to enjoy before heading back to the mainland. As the sun started to set, we began our ride back, tired but completely happy. One day, one island, one unforgettable experience. If you want to experience everything Balabac has to offer, not just Onok Island, we've got you covered. We offer 3D2N and 4D3N Balabac adventures with speedboat transfers. Comfortable accommodation, great food, and awesome experiences like wild crocodile watching and even lobster catching. So if this looks like your kind of paradise, message us today and let's make it happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what island you'd love to visit next. See you soon. Contact us for bookings and inquiries. Call or message us on WhatsApp, Viber, or Telegram. We'll help you plan the island adventure of your dreams.